Hi everybody, welcome to InfoComm 2019 in the Middle Atlantic Products area of the Legrand AV booth. I'm Megan Needler, Director of Marketing for Middle Atlantic. Here we are unveiling Forward. It's a new family of installation helpers and accessories from Middle Atlantic like you've never seen before. All available in our BGR Series #1 AV enclosure. We are unveiling this brand new rack rail, which introduces a new square hole, in addition to the threaded rack rail that provides for toolless mounting capabilities. So you simply squeeze the mechanism and pull it out for releasing it, and then when you find the hole, they snap back into place. Available on blank panels, vent panels, and horizontal cable management. In addition to that, Forward offers tool-free vertical cable management that simply drops in to the slots along the horizontals of our BGR, anywhere you need cable management. And in those different vertical cable management options, we offer these great little accessories that toollessly engage into the universal pattern via this oblong mechanism here, and you rotate, they lock into place. We've got D-rings, C-rings, cable management, and even cool clamps for small device mounting that kind of operate like a zip tie. So no more small screws, duct tape, or bubble gum to get those small devices and cable management into place. This is the way to go. Forward works with our BGR series, which is, again, the #1 rack from Middle Atlantic Products. For more information, go to middleatlantic.com.